You're going to manage to Julie again and again, no, I'm saying that the story behind that.
Oh, yes.
Na yoso jitongerako. Yeah,
Alivero. That track, by the way, that specific song was supposed to be for Rema.
Oh, Rema Namakula.
Because it was in Nalukola and because nga demo. If you buwegendereza ennyo, there's that huskiness like naina flu and uyemba. So it was supposed to be given to her, but for some reason I was like, okay, let me take it on.
Okay. Okay, medini twale tuze ku dini wali nga tutunawumula goloze kuyambye etyo okubeera to keep grounded mu bulamu.
Enyambye nnyo dini, I don't know where I would be without it, because ababaka bangi, I'm talking about prophets, for their message to be delivered clearly, abamu abasinga bayite balina bakadde baabwe. For some reason bobeera ne mukadde wo si mu bubi, bw'oba olina calling on your life to deliver a certain kind of message, waliwo ebintu byolina okusooka okuyitamu hardships zikupreparing osobole okubeera nga bw'otuuka mu bantu bano you can be of great service. You have the wisdom that is unfiltered. Oshitegeera nga bw'onogamba nti gold okufuuka gold ayina okugenda through so much refining. Kakati naffe, for me to be the Naava Grey I am right now has been God. That regardless of all the losses, the loss of loved ones, nabuli chimu, during that specific moment, I was like, there has to be God.
Yeah.
If everyone else has left me or abandoned me, there is one who will never leave me.
I know. So
Kuvoro with my sister during that time when we had lost our father. We first went to churches, by the way.
Oh. Ngaluwe ekintu kimunoonya.
Oh, yeah, kubanga twakulira mu busiramu, yes. Bamwalimu nga bebajja ne batusomesa sura zezo. Naye nga kati mulimu ffe ebizibu ebyajja twalinga abaagala okumanya ennyo ate Katonda mu. Ebigambo bino bitegeeza ki? Kati we first went to churches. It wasn't our call, but during that time of struggle, we were like, tunoonye Katonda. Naye ate omukristaayo ate ne butuyamba ate okwagala obusiraamu ennyo. I don't know, it was so I
didn't expect that.
Like seriously, like because when they say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, they mean in the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. Chitwali twagala okuwulira kwegamba asinga okusonyiwa, the most compassionate. We wanted to feel that love, and we felt it in the Christian side. So it gave us more insight with the research that we did, that Islam is peace. It means submission to the will of God. Trusting Him, the most merciful. He's ever forgiving, ever merciful. Netufuna ate that information netulaba ate nga obusiraamu bwakifuna dda bino byonna byetwali tunoonya bwali mu busiraamu, but twali tulina okutegeera ebigambo bye twogera n'okubiteeka ddala mu nkola n'owulira nga omwoyo gwo gwonna kwegamba gwambadde ekyo kyennyini. It's not easy. Mukama asooka kikuwa, by the way. You can't just go n'ogamba nti salaamu oba nimulokole. No. Omwoyo guno, we ignore omwoyo. Tugulagajjalidde nnyo.
Chegwetaaga cheguyoya.
Thank you. Kubanga gwe guwaniridde omubiri. Oyinza okwekolako eno yonna naye omwoyo bwa tokukozeeko. Otambula bwereere. So kiri kirina okwambala. Ate tosobola kirimbiramu. Kibola tusabe nnyo tufune amaaso agalaba eby'omwoyo, because you can see more than you ever imagine. Oyinza okuyingira mu kifo nga kintu ekifo kyoyingidde mu kifo ng'eringa endagaano gy'oyingiddemu. Mu spirit world ne bagamba wayingiddemu ki? Waliwo endagaano gye wayingiddemu, waliwo bi-covenant, bi-contract abantu bye bakola to okusustaininga business zaabwe, okusustaininga emirimu gyabwe. Waliwo ebintu endagaano nnyingi nnyo eziri mu nsango. Kati ogenda okulaba weebakako n'olaba nga gye wabadde wafu. You have to go into spiritual cleansing. Sometimes it takes fasting, it takes a whole lot of work. Okwejjako ebintu ebyo ne weenenya. Kubanga Katonda ye asonyiwa jjukira. Ffe ne tumanyi tujjukira tambuza gano maaso gaffe ag'oku nsi. Naye gali aga maaso g'omwoyo galaba nnyo era twalirwanya nnyo okulaba nti amaaso g'omwoyo gakola ki bingi bye tulaba n'otegeera omuntu gw'otudde naye n'omanya n'ekyagenda okutuukako.
Yes, there is that thing. Yes. Just okiwulira.
Abamu tebeetaaga kuloota. Someone can just sit with you n'agamba Stella, I see this. Ndaba kino, ndaba kiri. Ate kati waliwo abamu nga it's darkness. What they see is not even right. It's the enemy, the devil. Yabawa ebirooto, yabawa n'okulaba ebintu ebitali bituufu. In most cases omuntu ayinza okulagula nti kino kigenda kubaawo ne kitabaawo. Oyinza okuba ng'akozesebwa mulabe. Kubanga ebya Katonda bya mazima tebiriiko. You know God is everything.
Biri mutaala really. Tebitaka science munje.
So obusiramu bunyambye nnyo by the way ebintu ebyo. Nze nyinza okubeerawo nga ndi ku meditation. Maybe I'm repeating the Astaghfirullah, meaning I'm seeking forgiveness. Ngamba astaghfirullah. Nembeera kwekyo. Ogenda okulaba bwenzibiramu katono. N'ofunayo ko obubaka waliwo kintu kyolaba kiyitawo nga like a split second. Nga kye bakulaze kigenda kukapeninga into months. So fena tukirina. It's not mine alone. It is, everyone has it. We all have it, but rakuba ensi bwejja n'okeera ku makya n'ogenda n'okola. Weerabidde okusaba n'otuula mu ofiisi essimu nejja gundi akuinvite nze jangu kapabu kali tutuule tunyumye. There are so many distractions.
Amasimu agakubidde bakubikidde bano. There is a lot that can take you away.
There are so many distractions that we are forgetting the core of the beginning of creation. It was our spirits. We accepted to come here. Twakkiriza okujja tondebwe tukkirize ebya Katonda. Katonda yatutonda okumuwashipinga. Nebyatuwadde kubanga buno this career that I have is not mine.
It's for the glory of God.
It's for the glory of God and it should be in service. Ebintu tubifuna tufuna ebirabo nate netubikozesa kukola ki okuvoola ate Katonda ate nga yabituwadde. Jjukira, you cannot even create a nail for yourself nti oba it will grow. Tetulina kyetusobola kutonda ku bulamu bwaffe. Waki tetumuwa kitiibwa ki?
I know. Akigwana. Yes.
Kati okutegeera bino byentegedde. I had to go through those hardships ngenda okunyumiza. I had to go through breakups. I had to go through rejection. I had to go through all sorts of things so that God can prepare me to be an Naava that everyone loves, who loves her music.
Yeah. That is really, really important. The way you've explained it, buli omu ndowooza olugendo olw'okutegeera Katonda, we are different. It's the same thing, destination, but tutegeera banjalo era na ekikukolera naawe kiri very simple. It's plain and simple. It's effortless. Teweetaaga mukuteeka struggle. Ebintu bya Katonda biri amazing.
Teweetaaga na kunyiigira muntu. Kale ffe tuli bantu weesanga onyiize, but later on ogenda okulaba kati for what? We have to forgive, we have to seek forgiveness. Kubanga ffe batwesumulula batutonda mu kifaananyi ekyokuba loving, tebatutonda na busungu. Kama yagamba bugambi kibe ne kikola ki? Kun fayakun. Kibe ne kiba. Ne tubaawo ate mu mukwano omungi kubanga ye yasinga omukwano.
I know.
So wagukuwa gukozese. Toguteekako gundi yankoze bwati, gundi yankoze bwati, gundi yayogedde bwati. No, byetulina si byaffe. Era like the wind bigenda kuperishinga. There lived giants on this earth nga balina buli kimu. Batujjukiza mu suras nyingi nti wabeerangawo ba giants ku nsi kuno nga balina buli kimu. Naye right now there is no proof of their existence. Fe we are less than them. Tetubatuuka naye tebaliwo. Kakati gwe weteekako lwaki weefuula ate Katonda n'otulugunya abantu n'obayisa bubi obukulembeze bwo mu kiti kyo abantu n'obayisa obubi weesalako guweetema. But when you do good, it comes back to you in full.
It does. Every good deed has a reward. That's what the Bible tells us, and I believe it's the Quran as well. Of course, oli mu field. Tugenda kudewa ali mu butono naye wano this it has chinkutenyo. Oli mu field. Of course, bayimbi kanate beyogerako bwerukedde and je tubeereyo behind the scenes bintu bibeerayo negwe tukulaba ng'olwana ng'oyomba n'omuntu oweereza kino ne bwe mbanga mugenda kuyomba lyrically, you do not go there
because of that training. Because when I go back home my sister, she's my elder sister. Abadde nange through this journey. Aliba omwoyo gwolaba twamwandika fembi with her.
No.
Chipping in here and there. And several other songs that I've written, I've been with her. She's been giving me direction. It's like my family there's always one person who has been guided by God to guide others.
Yeah.
So yoyo muganda wange. So when nalibadde, maybe for example, I would have fumed. Someone gives me a call and like, Naava shino, and you want to go attack this person. Nagamba, you know what? Sala yorakazo bbiri wali.
Wow.
Kati mukaseera ako kugenda kufuna obuzu okitegeera kigenda kiwearinga off then notukaali kumukera noganda muddala mu butuufu ngende mu maaso g'omutonzi wange
nina obusungu biki
ate nga ayagala free spirit kangende wali byeyambule nenenye for that rage because eyina kyeyonoonye. Sometimes omuntu ayinza okukunyiiza naye nga waliwo kye bagenda okutoolako. Bamalayika babeerawo n'ebintu byaffe kati gwe n'ogenda n'oyomba n'omuntu ne bakitwala ne bakizaayo.
Obusiraamu bukiro kibeera.
My goodness. Waliwo I think hadith sagala nnyo kwonona like how they were translated and brought.
For context,
I'm just giving it an example.
Yeah.
Waliwo omwami, I think it was, I don't know, Abubakar, I don't know. Abala abaami abajja ne bayombesa omwami ono. Kati omwami ono teyabaddiza. Kati oli alaba bamalayika.
Yes.
N'abalaba nga basanyuse. Kubanga ono ali amuvuma ono tabiddiza. Asanyukira nnyo omuntu ono. Kati bwe yamuddiza, bamalayika ne banyiiga ne bavaawo. Kikulaga ki? Every time someone comes, n'aba attacking. In most cases taba ye abamulabe. Kati it's always good to pause and keep quiet and let them, because you don't know who bagamba abali naffe bangi okusenga ki those that are with us are more than those that are against us. Ababali naffe mwoyo bangi okusenga abali ki abatulwanyisa. Kati bamalayika baaliwo ne balaba embeera eyo ne basanyuka kubanga omuntu wawe yali akola ekituufu. Kati bwe yatandika okuddiza oli ne banyiiga ne bavaawo. Twegobera bamalayika. Naye nti bw'obeera mu the beautiful way, the way God created us was beautiful. N'okola ebintu bya Katonda byayagala. Obeera exceptional.
Yes.
You're unique in your true self. Waliwo ebirabo by'ofuna. Kati I wish people would elaborate more on these things.
Yes, nti mu bulamu n'obutambuza bw'otyo nti ovudde waka by the wokedde saa 11 ozokuse so osadde essaala oba osabye essaala naye oba otambula boda naye n'ofulumya ekigambo n'owulira nawe n'owulira nga wessibwadde. Do you understand? Ogamba naye Mukama nsonyiwa saagala kuno na lunaku nfa kwogera ne Katonda wange, I want everything to be okay. Neeraguliddeko dde ebintu ebirungi saagala kubyejjako lwakuba nti government.
Kyolaba tugamba nyo do not walk in the paths of the wicked. You know what that means. Kama onotambula n'omuntu aliko that wickedness, now you'll be propelled to become the same. At least tambula weka knowing that your God is with you. Because toyagala enensejjudde ebintu bingi ate kati era enofu nnyo. So many things are happening. Our children are being defiled by these phones, social media. Omuntu n'alaba ekintu popping up. Mwana omuto akutte essimu, mwana emyaka 5 2 akutte essimu. Jukira obwongo bwe, DNA is being washed by these things. These social media platforms zirimu ebintu bingi ebitusangulako richness bitwambula. So in most cases kale waliwo wotasobola ku, for example in this music industry. But ngezako okulaba nti nze I'm always meditating so that I connect to the true source of my existence. Nemekuba defiled by NS because we are temporary. Bagamba tuli bagenywa.
I know.
Tetuli ba permanent citizens.
Yeah.
If that was the case,
I know.
Ndikoze
chayaga, of course.
Yeah.
Kati ogambe nayo sister oyo ogoddukirako kuno mbulira ebintu byo ate kirungi nti oyina that thing of kanjugenda omutonzi wange ndabe let me consult. So oyinayo emikwano emirala
oba? Yes, n'emikwano gyange n'emikwano mostly. I don't know, my spirit prefers male friends more. I don't know why, but why Nando's a path here, because when I sit with them, it is It is free. There are no grudges, nothing to...
That is so true.
I don't know why.
I think I'm like that. Me teacher.
So it's the same thing.
It is.
You find them free. They don't have anything to hold against you.
No.
You know? I think it's the nature of children too. Mommy.
I know.
You know, so I think we just have to surround ourselves with such nature.
That is nice.
Interesting.
Yes. You have a very rare personality to out there and everything. And now we understand. Now we understand why you live carefully.
It's more protection.
Oh yeah, you protect yourself.
Protect myself
fast.
that I do not go astray, and I'm all over the place, and before I know it, you know, it torments you. It can torment you for years. For example, at one point in your life, it replays in your mind, you know? In most cases, for you to feel that guilt, so that you don't do that again. So some of us are maybe leaders in our own right, not followers. None should be a follower. Everyone has been called for something. They are following others because of fame, because of money.
What they're getting from them.
So that you don't lose your perfect self, your beautiful self, the one that God created.
I know, I love it, I'm enjoying it.
Yes,
I just self-control. I love it. Self-control, but which it's about self-control, but it's just like tuchi sometimes. Okay. Wasumirawa?
I went to Buganda Road. Then from there,
then
ningenda Kechiwuli, then nemana ningenda Braeburn, Kenya.
Wasomera Kenya. University?
No, it was a college. It was a high school.
High school. Okay, college. Okay. And then did you play any sports? Were you in leadership? Like how were you?
When I was mutojuka nainjaga nnyo okuzannya. Nakolanga nnyo buno PE. What do they call them? PE. You know, whereby they leave you paka kanika. Kati ng'ogenda oyambala akasati, back to school. I remember I did that. Netuyita mu bintu munsi.
Ngoyagala
oyambadde akapale, oyambadde simanye empale, oyambadde sports shirt, akasawo kali wali, socks yamba, then no crossing the finish line. It was so lovely, yeah?
I know. That innocent stage, it is, I don't know. I wish we didn't, when we grow, we don't lose our innocence.
That's why I did a song called Ndibawa. Ndibawa was exactly about a topic that we are enlightening upon, about your innocent self. It goes, Ndimusai muto no nyanambika, Ndichimuli chijimu no nyanafukiririra, Banji bandese zenyereteo, webali burekubo balida.
Yes.
So it's like we grow up wanting to be watered, wanting to be fed, wanting to be taken care of. Money, it's your right to have all these things. Then what took it said, these people, you've been abandoned. It could be a relationship, a love relationship. Omuntu goyagala nyate na kulika. Bintu bingi ebitulese. For example, oba omulimu baddo wekutta omulimu guno, you're excited about it, ne bagoba. Naye abantu abo balikomawo balinsanga ndi kuki.
Oh dear.
Yes.
And basically
balinsanga nfudde, balinsanga nkulaakulanye nga sagala batunulako, balinsanga I'm in a mess. I don't even know who I am. Because of that rejection, I'm left in a point of in space. so shiba nkubiriza nnyo ekintu ekyo abantu otaleka bannaabo nemba mwawukane in peace. Manga, it can torture you.
It can.
Many people have gone through breakups. Yesterday, a breakup is very crazy.
I'm telling you. Yesterday we were here with, she's called Mariam Nakoch, I don't know, she's a relationship coach, and she was saying, love is spiritual.
Too much.
Kutuka one, never one, negenda one. So, I'm telling you. But it is spiritual, so people nagamba batabalina kizanyiramu nozanyira ku munengo kimanyi omusingira budde naye n'omuzanyirako
bano abantu abakeera ku makya n'oleka munno awatali reason awatali nti Katonda yagambye omuleke n'omuleka bubi n'ogenda n'okwata omulala n'omufuna n'omuwasa bo bangi if you are followed bafuna ebizibu ate bibi nnyo
amaziga gabali anti
my goodness Katonda amanye ezziga ly'omu
kati kwati wano wogamba nti twawukana emirembe oba kale n'osabako
like try to
you seek guidance from God. Yes. This is not working for me. What should help me do it peacefully without hurting the other person
and wait for his answer.
Oh, you have to wait. Ogenda tubulira engeri ojja tuwa ekyokulabirako kuba tusomesa ggwanga. Okay. Katumulemu katononya. Tuchene Naava Gray tovao. Lot.
Oh my goodness, olulimba lutambudde. That song.
Lero lwakusooka n'okulinya ne lutambula emawanga.
Ne lugenda lwokkaze n'ensigala wano ne lufuna collaboration. Tukyusa ne ludda mu luzungu.
Wow.
Because we had to interpret it.
Oh,
back here it's kind of hard. It's a remix. If people want it, it's on YouTube. Look for the Terry remix featuring
your
Nigeria's
channel. MI. Your channel? Is it there?
Yeah.
Okay, Nigeria's
MI.
Okay.
Naava Gray official YouTube.
Okay. Kweruli. I would love to listen to the remix.
You should.
I'm curious.
You should.
How did they, build it to...
We try to interpret it for him so that he can also have a verse so that things merge. He loved it. So we had to give him that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Owandikiseeko ku nyimbo wandikide Rema and Rema Namakula and some other people there.
And
Irene Namubiru. Okay. Bitambudde bitya?
Tambudde bulungi. Sina tabu.
Okyawandika
when the need arises I write for others. Okay. But for now, I'm focusing on my craft. Yeah.
Okay. Speaking of craft, take us through to say more creative process here.
Creative process. Yeah, because we told him house. That is Mutya Project Fame. What were those classes about? Was writing your own songs. Na background, my brothers, my siblings could write. So I was like, so I thought all along I would be maybe working in a bank. You understand? Go to school and I
know.
Hey, I know.
Keep the balance.
Hey, keep the balance.
Oh dear me. Oh dear. Yeah.
Kakati, I thought I'd be maybe a bank because I loved money. The way money could move. Oh goodness. Then, but then the creative process started with the family, but I didn't take it seriously. It was in the blood, in the genes, I think. Then, as we went on, I came back here. From the house because of something that there was a crime that was committed in the Tusker Project Flame house. So I was kicked out. But God is doing all that. Come back early. Tandiko ku training. Jenjagala otambulire. Nensokera mukwano gwange. There was also a Ugandan called Wendy Namusanga alieno. Nga already alineva the likes of research. Wali ku kalenda. Nagamba jangu tubeera wano. Tubeerako bye tuyimba. Twebuzeebuze. Nange tsali mube ne ngendayo. jukira beewandikira ennyimba bamessage beewandikira ennyimba zaabwe era ne batuwandiikirako they wanted to form like a girl group but it did not happen so in the middle of all that I met KS Alpha, GNL, Navio, tandika of being I was like a backup artist. It was a favorite pastime. Before you know it, I was connected to Steve Jean. Nagamba, I love your voice. Let's do something. Yaina producer. Nagamba, kola kono yutulabe. That is Michael Fingers. Michael Mugisha. Yes. Kola love you every day. Okay. Nyembezo. Nagamba okay. Tofayo. One alins to the tracks zangazije the music. Message, Nagamba, okay, this is good music, but it won't work for you. You need to be original. Because I was not sounding original. I was sounding like I'm mimicking them. Oh. But they found Bazula Jane already they are identified. Katinze ngambulanga. Nagamba manini nayo tracks wano. Now didn't you solo kuandika. Just listen to this track we wanted it. Nenduwuliriza nenfunirawo nze kyemmanyi ndi wamu naawe
bakuplayingira track
yes nentandikirawo and I didn't know how it happened. It was like that was fast
so kujire track kati tandise pacha notandikirawo
kale nasooka nenduwuliriza kubanga I first have to record it in my head
of course
then after some time it was like mbambale nnyo zalinga after 15 minutes nempandika nze kyemmanyi ndi wamu naawe guno omwoyo gwenina segukyanoonyayo mulala naye nga sibiyimba bulungi bwe nti teryali bulungi nnyo era abaaliwo bagamba tebijja kukola kubanga eddoboozi lyali nempulira nga amaanyi ganzigwedde neŋŋamba nagamba manyi tofaayo ddayo ewaka come here early morning tugenda kifixinga kiveeyo nentambula nga nkaaba paka ewaka kati nentuuka ewaka ekyozo ekiŋŋamba kitosalayo lwaka bbiri muntu ogwo sabayoko just track as a bit nentulawo nensaa I want to be original. I was pitting myself too much.
Yes.
I want to be original. Will I sound original? Kati ntuuka yenkeera we just put the chorus ng'abantu bava mu studios
nga balemeddemu
my goodness buli omu aba mu studio
nakiralamu
nga
buli obaluteekako we bati
tetunaana kuteekamu verses wadde bridge naye nga already olulimba lunyuma the guy was a genius Michael so nagamba owulidde I told you lugenda kukola tugenda ddayo ewaka owandike verses nazo nenzisabira nezijja ate ku speed ebigambo nembifuna bane there is power in prayer
katonda wamugamba otya wamugamba nti ki
kama njagala kuba original give me the words to this song help me write has been there
watyo
since 2012 till today still making rounds those byakatonda biraba tebina expiry date bisigala classics that's why we should honor God with all that we have
kati ku mirimu gyaffe gyonna fenna whatever we do whatever byonna
buli kimu nekiba kitonda bagamba mukama mwesiga ne mukabanga omwesiga n'akaguwa kangatto
I think I like that approach better nti bwe mbanga nitaka guidance nja kwogerako n'omutonzi wange saagala kati amasimu ndoza gakendere wamma kati olowooza ki ku ono boyfriend gwe nafunye wamma kati olowooza ki ku eno deal ye nafunye bano wamma bampita bakolere
gigamba oli musiru osobola ki okuleka omusajja owa ssente gwe oyagala kiki waki otuzza emabega obamanyi
ate onaba babafunako
nawe n'ogamba akaŋŋende ne bakkubireyo emiggo n'ovaayo nga wenayo you're derailed n'ogamba dambu tova mu nnyumba ya mugagga oba ova mu kiswa mu nsiko nga tofaananika because you did not heed to God's guidance owajja kujja ayinza okujja nga alinga omwavu ne mubeera mwembi mukama n'amujjuliza so it's good to be patient. We have been in a rush tubadde nnyo ku bwangu mu bulamu bwaffe gundi andeka muganda wange laba yafunye obufumbo ekyo kyo kijja kujja but who is going to tell us that The word lately is materialistic.
I know.
Nemwagenda kugamba genda okole bwoti gutoyagala sente genda wali omusawo oli gundi ogenda kutambula bwotyo bamanyi okwekwasa ekintu mbu simanyi ogenda kubeera mwereere genda keeri musawo wala bwe terabidde Katonda
tumwerabidde
mbu Katonda alwawo balina engombe alwawo kati gwe atambudde ku speed bali abakulinda waki bakuyisa at one point in your life waki bakuyisizza bali abalinda gwe wagenda ku speed ate ogenda odde mabegawa naye nga wagenda ku speed oluusi oyinza okugendera ekintu very fast ate n'ofiirayo nga we were not supposed to die because you rushed
But I think we need twetaaga Katonda mu buli kimu n'omwebuuzaako either n'okubuuza ku bantu kubanga baba bakusunga nga bagamba no
buli omu alina amagezi g'ensi ogenda kubawuliriza bonna ogenda kukola bye bagamba so tubeere n'emikwano egy'emigaso nze saagala nnyo okubeera eno ngombo gye bagamba nti mbeere n'emikwano emigagga bw'aba si mugagga mutima ne bw'aba alina ssente empya n'enkadde talina kyagenda kukolera trust me omuntu osooka kuba mugagga mu mutima
awo
kubanga ojja kusanga omuntu ng'alina nnusu for example alina mutwalo gumu mu nsawo ne zonna nazikwata nazikuwa oyo si mugagga beera n'oyo esibeera n'oli omukodo ng'alina biliyoni 4 Katonda alina ebintu byakola I can talk about him all day nenkwatola alina ebintu byakola na for example when I was talking about that billion someone having a billion shillings naye nga agenda kutulugunya bubi nnyonnyo oveeyo nga totegeerekeka naye oli ow'omutima omugagga omwoyo gw'omujjuvu oguli rich n'ovaayo ng'olinga omwana w'omugagga jjukira yeerekereza buli kimu nga sure nti oyo gwolina okwagala
oyo
kubanga ebyenkya jjukira he's going to attract wealth real wealth both in the spirit
it does.
So tubuzaabuziddwa batuwa amagezi bawoshinzebwayo ebya Katonda naye Katonda tosobola kuzikiza nuuriye light sitane bweba yepanka atya tasobola kuzikiza kitangaala kya Mukama era kiwandiikiddwa he can't.
Naava bino byonna by'oyogera it reflects on your life waliwo omuntu amala nayogera banaye believe in God good ningirewo obulamu obulaba adduka sipiidi oba nga bya his or actions are tekiri munda
Mukama era yatwala through those stages kati naye aba akyalina ku stage gyali naye nga kale Mukama ategeera nti omwoyo gwo gumwetaaga bagamba when you walk several steps to God he runs when you walk to God he makes several steps back to you nti buli bw'olaba nga olina ekiruubirirwa ekyo ky'okwagala Mukama akwetaaga you will find it and God will find you definitely kubanga alaba mitima akebera mitima takebera bino physical bannaye tudde eri Katonda naye ng'omutima gwo gwogera mu butuufu teguli backed up in the spirit tukulaba nga oli mu kizikiza tulimba you know so
naye nga I thank God that akozemu omulimu omulungi
akyagunkolamu
yes
I'm so grateful
it is evident. Isn't that amazing?
I thank him like I can speak about him but to see with my sister that's how we are to see kuchigambo it just strikes like at the appropriate time yategeka time ye
tuli ku pressure nti ensinafulumya oluyimba lulala bannaye budde nomala ga releasing ebintu because you take your time and
there's a reason for that maybe I would have wanted nange okubeera nga releasing things like that but it has been God guiding my steps and ate nandaga why it was relevant that way that I shouldn't be all over the place releasing because Tilted is still working Tilted
right
and then there are new songs still but these songs first have to grow on you like for example Sokalami
yes
we did like a premiere Sokalami in partnership with Rockstar
okay
kati when they are releasing these songs they were releasing a song by making sure anti channels on Nebulaya at that specific time gye releasing abazona zigenda zikufuna Sokalami.
So no airplay byonegenda kubeera kuyo.
Akati wetwategeka Sokalami premiere wano, I think it was some club somewhere. No one showed up. For Sokalami nga mupya. Now when you speak today,
yeah,
Sokalami, everyone loves Sokalami. But when it was being introduced, so those are my take on my songs. Enyimba zange bwezityo.
Yes.
Tetosooka oyinza okusooka obutalwagala nnyo.
And I prefer that other than olufulumye
nerwaka nnyo ate ne luzikira.
Togeza kuteeka ku luyimba. But I understand though. Yeah, I do. Okay, tulina questions or ebintu abantu byagala tukoneko abalala bakusiima waliwo message egamba webale nnyo bannaye kwereza ndowooza zammwe. You guys are amazing and thank you for following. Okay, tulina message egamba Naava is real greatness. I love her so much and I pray she never goes short of glory. Amen. Timoleu. Yeah. Okay, waliwo mulala agambye nti Nante, Naava's music is so intimate. Banange, that song you played last is even my caller tune. I'm not I can tell. Okay. Agambye yo caller tune tululungi nnyo naye nga ayagadde arwagadde bulala. Message endala egambye thanks Naava for being decent and calm. We intend to take you on as a brand ambassador of Green Smiles for Life. We are a climate change campaign. Yetovi CEO, God bless you. You are climate ate go bisobola eri calm. You just speak. You love nature. Chingenda kwanguyira. Chimazicho. Okay. Thanks for the show. Naava tukwagala nnyo. Tuwe yo show mukwano. Cas.ug. Bane tetunabikoona konna ye. Waliwo Naava byali mu kufumba. Agenda kubyogerako maaso awo. Okay. And Alagamba Naava great. Thanks a lot for the music. I am Andrew Mukasa. I thank NTV for hosting you. Nayenga Olanyo, do you have some new project? Yeah, Mulinde Kots. It's coming. Just keep it locked here on NTV and Spark. We have something new she's going to talk about. Ina ne social media ndozo mbira bitamba ne kachagenda batangaza muko. Okay. Gambia, hey, I have no question for Naava, but I want to let her know that I love her so much and she inspires me a lot.
Oh, great.
Okay, Gambia, good morning. I'm glad to see Naava. I'm a good fan of her and I love her music very much. Wilfred in Mukono. Okay. And then Gambia, I'm Timothy. I want to thank Naava for singing therapeutic music. Every time I get emotional, I listen to her music. It has that emotional touch.
I'm really glad. Yeah. Because then that means does it make you feel? Especially when someone says it's therapeutic, because I was needing that when I'm scripting. I need something that's going to connect to my spirit. For example, if I have a sudden darkness somewhere, so I want to sing something that was going to bring light.
So you're writing from inside out.
Yes, thank you. So that, because if I know if it works for me, it will work for everybody else.
That's a good method. Thank you. Okay. Mutya, I'm very happy watching live one of my favorite divas in the music industry, and of course we have some fantastic vocalists in Uganda, but Naava Gray is one of a kind. I would say magical and angelic. John.
Come on.
Ochimanyi kino your music waba playing mu nyumba ulire mirembe. Your music uwe mirembe.
Njagala nnyo emirembe anti.
Yeah.
Njagala nnyo emirembe. I don't want to part with that because I know what I can be nga sirina mirembe. You know, I don't want those outbursts sagala kufuuka ate kintu kirala, you know. So if I feel peace, I want to give peace. If I feel love, I want to give love. If I don't feel those things and I'm feeling the negative, I want to be by myself.
That's what
because I have nothing to give.
In
that notion. Sina chakuwa then.
And you don't use other means to rant to.
Thank you.
Let me go on social media and do a live and be like.
It's not necessary because katonda affe mugagga ate muganda nga manyo gamba katonda affe tali cheap.
Tell me about it. I need your sister's number.
She's right here. She has to be somewhere. Yeah, she's wild.
But she has done an amazing job.
She counsels. She's a good counselor, good mentor. Mukama yamuwa. Your family it's a blessed family. By the way, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. According to me, Naava Gray is more than wisdom. Thank you.
My goodness, that's like
true.
Wow.
Okay, we have another one. I love you, Gray. How can I get to you? Get you. Okay, of course, business, social media platforms. Then
there's also a number that is on all the social media platforms that they can reach.
Okay, I love you so much, Naava. Can you believe I almost listened to your songs? I almost listen to your songs every day going to work. Thanks for the show. Love you, Naava Gray.
Love you guys. Thank you for the love. Banange anti-love.
I know. When you're feeling love, you want to give it to everybody else. You glow. Love makes people glow, and you're glowing.
I'm glad. I just want to give what I want to get back.
Yeah. It's important. Okay. Hi, Nante. I love Naava and her music. She has given us the word of God as well. Thanks, Mukwano. You have touched our hearts.
Oh, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. It's been God himself.
But are you hearing the comments? Naava is so inspiring. I wish I could be close to her, such as to have her traits. Never keep the fire burning, such that it can also reach me.
Oh, I pray for you. May it. Our God is not restricted.
Yeah.
Ngamba bugambe mukama najja osayinga busayize nawulira omwoyo gwo nti gumwetaaga najja banayira love eyo.
I'm telling you.
Waliwo esinga ye yesu tubiyimba wano naye yasinga ye kikolo.
Emirembe gya mukama
okitegeera.
Bob King here. I love her music because her source is Jesus, nothing less, nothing more. She is for signs and wonders and greatness.
Amen.
Okay, mukamanga mulungi. Banange mwebale nnyo messages zikyajjanyije.
Ambitwala banange.
Take nange ebimu I top it. Kale katumulemuko tukyalina Naava Gray ebimu zobandi. Keep those comments and compliments coming. We are still with her. Tugenda kweyongerayo katumulemu katono nnyo tavaawo. Naava ina byafumba, and it's about time that we talk about the concert that is coming on 14th of February 2025.
The symphonic concert.
Abantu omuliro kati gutandise simanyi ba February walako
ntunula zireno nzireri, but anyway boy na kyotegeka, you have to put in the work. So banaye twina concert Serena Hotel 14th February.
Yes.
Can't wait.
Wano. So we ku 13th of Feb. One word over view on the
Valentine's Day.
Yes, Valentine's of 14th of February.
Mujje wano ku Serena Hotel.
Yeah.
Mbawo buyimba bwamwe bwonna okuva ku 2011 paka leero.
Paka kati.
Yeah.
The classics.
Nteredde sokalami anja kwagala ndibaawa twala kangume kugamba bwonna nga bwina okuteekateeka yonna gy'oli mu kiti ekyo.
Tutegeke baani abakuwerekeddeko.
Steve Jen Venon Events. Steve Jen ali nange. Banji, my Naava team, bwe bali abambereddewo all the time nga barwaninga ebintu enkugambe ki abantu bangi abamperekedde.
And we can't wait to kubalaba bonna. Omuntu afunye ate ticket eyo.
Omuntu afunye ticket quicket waliwo gye bayita quicket.com.
Quicket
like quicket.com for now. Before we will also introduce a USSD, a mobile money kind of thing later, so that people can find it easy, because quicket ndozetera abamo they don't want to go through so many questions and bagala nti nsasudde akasente kange kiwe
ticketing wano.
Naye kati that option egenda kujja very soon.
For now
mugende ku quicket, look for Naava Gray category, clicking awo bajja kutwala through the steps. Ticket 150k ordinary, VIP
VIP
3 million
experience.
Yeah.
Okay,
Together,
VIP
3 million.
Okay.
Katugezako so to incorporate a couple's ticket. Very special. Nga balinako ka cocktail, dinner, some oshtegera. So to be kyalimu tugezako kulaba nti
to have a special experience.
Yeah. Abagalo proposing that day, you might want to propose nga nyimba ningo omologe wali ne bakwaka spotlight, no take away VV. Ogamba nti banange gundi, will you do this, will you marry me? So there's also that option.
That's a special thing.
That's a special thing. Someone might want to like propose that day. Tugamba ku stage jangu ku stage muno mu proposing ile. Manya abantu bagala ni.
Ate wo proposing tugeze no gamba mbadde mbikolera show.
By the way, banange tujja kulekeza essala.
But I believe people abantu bagenda okujja bagenda kwa love, of course. Lovers, love.
I need to see all my fans, those that have been supportive. Mubadde mu inbox nga mungamba Naava otwayo ddi. Naava otwa era mbiride message.
Ne messages wano zizo zichabuza.
Mane show eri ku Kampala Serena Hotel. Inshallah, we pray everything will be well.
Yeah.
Mujje Banji mujje for one genuine goal.
Yes.
Love.
Ate no guno omwaka nno nga tujja kwa tugutandise bulungi. Ne concert ya 14th of February ekituufu nnyo tubire nga tuyingira nga tuli tugenda maaso n'omwaka nenga tulina love eyo njo twabadde wano nga tujogirako kyekitu kyekisera okwate munno mugule ticket ya couples ticket somehow somewhere bijja kujja ngende mwerabire concert. Yeah. Kale, and I think akatali ke kakachi byoyagala tumanye for now about Naava's music. Ogatuwayo music omupya, mixingamo, collaboration.
Yes, there's a song that I did. Michael Chitanda is part of it. There's also a gentleman called Yokuki.
Michael
Chitanda, the saxophonist. He was part of it, and it's called Affair. Though the person that like Ngabano Gambo omuntu is not was a producer kale yachiteka munye sente yatufaako.
Oh dear.
So in memory of him, Affair was born and is here to serenade you like the new song Bantu Banonya Oluyimbo olupya olwa Naava mwaka guno baluyita Affair. It will soon be on your platforms. Mulu playing and streaming.
The video, radio, it's an audio out. It's going to be.
The audio is going to be out for now, but in memory of my good friend Webby, that we lost along Iganga in an accident. Who really wanted to be part of this concert. I
know.
Oh yeah.
Collaborations.
Yeah, there's one that's coming with Joshua Baraka.
Or you get the collaboration. You got your note. You're going to collaborate with Joshua. This is going to be
Joshua Baraka. Oh yes. Next stage wajja kubeerawo abantu bagenda kolanga nabo collaborations like Sovrionga. There will be a Munji Champion. If you believe that song, then there would also be several other songs. So Kalami will have artists from here, surprise acts. So I'll have my the artist friends who are going to make surprise acts in collaboration with me on stage. Yes. Just show up and yes.
Yes, okay, there are surprise acts as well.
Yes.
That is good. Okay. Management. Are you under management right now?
I have a team. People running around who have been running around for the longest time. Who are supportive in all ways. Charity because they formed themselves. Naava Great Family formed itself. They approached me and they wanted to be part of me. The only way for now, let's do charity. This gift was given to me by God. Let's keep giving. You don't need to even show cameras to just keep let's keep giving.
kale then industry jikone koko bintu bingi nnyo.
I know zenali ngamba. I remember we were talking with my sister nagamba we need some good money so we can build a sanctuary for artists. Artists have been ignored. Buli omu abasonga mu lugalo yakoze kino. You understand? Naye nga tomanyi nti byayitamu bwazuukuka nga alaba comments zonna 10 zimuvuma muntu, they will retaliate. Ajja kwekyawa akola ekitali mu magezi. Naye senga azuukuka n'asanga comments 10 nga zonna za love, it will help make them a better person. Kubanga tuyita mu bintu bingi. You don't know whether you signed into the devil's camp. Those contractsebogerako nti yasayininze ekyo n'omusaayi okitegera ebintu tuwebityo. So we need as much love as possible. Era twali twogera with my sister nagamba we should, in case we get that good money, or take like a sanctuary for artists, you're somewhere where it is quiet, where there are no phones,
no cameras,
a sort of a rehabilitation, but not a rehabilitation, like a hotel, but not a hotel, a place that can accommodate them and their nature. Nti bwaba abadde down kino ekifo kimuzza with the love and support and prayer. We need such sanctuaries. Nga bwagenda eyo asobola okumalayo ebbanga yonna neyeebaka buli kimu ajja kulya naye nga it's for them to feel that they are loved and they are not, it's not by mistake that they are musicians. Because osobola okyevuma nga oli mu bizibu bya industry maabyo bingi. Era nkubiriza bonna upcoming artists bannange sooka osabe Katonda akubuulire ddala mu butuufu ogenda kuba muyimbi oba nedda, because if you can't handle the pressure biyinza okukutabukira. That means it's not part of your calling. Jangu ng'omanyi ddala Mukama ye yakutumye, si gundi mama yagambye nnyimba bulungi genda oyimbe, boyfriend yakusiimyeko oluli n'agamba olina eddoboozi naye nga mu butuufu n'otekamu ssente nnyingi nnyo, alina obeera frustrated because it's not your calling. Maybe olina kubanga olina gy'okola. Thank you. There are so many things, but everyone, we are being called differently. I remember a time when I didn't want to sing. I was going through depression. I think it was way back. I was depressed. I didn't want to sing because I was depressed, but I needed like someone to help me with that trauma. But God came through. So I believe there are certain artists out there that are going through the same thing. Naye kati mbalaba ne mubajudginga. Okitegera? Omutima gwe gwogera kirala, omubiri mulaba kirala. Then you judge them. So we all need a like, extra love here and there.
Yeah. Okay. That means chiri I think very important abayimbe kwera kone support system.
Very good.
Abantu abachali bakwano bo nga tebagenda ku misguidinga nti oba owulira obusungu bakigina genda nawe okole bwoti.
Thank you.
Musoseza Katonda.
I've seen this thing whereby an artist has an entourage. Abantu bangi bamwetoolodde. Naye bona bonna tebasobola kwetoolola nga tolina kyolina. Bazze to take from you. Tebazze kukola ki? Most of them that surround you for that moment. Bali walili when you are hustling to get to that stage.
I know.
So twegendeza abantu abatwetoolola. They are there for you to give them. Chivala ajja kugamba ne oba wakoze mistake waliwo guwavumye ajja kugamba nti wakoze bulungi oli star naye bw'ona ogenda mu rehab tagenda kulabikako kubanga tebagala babizibu.
Ate nga banoonya ate omulala aliko nga bagenda banoonya.
Thank you. So artists need extra care, extra love, and they should also invite it. They should invite it by doing the right thing. We're here to serve God with everything that we have. No one should tell you otherwise. Boba akola mistake noyingira ebintu ebitali bituufu nga bikutawaanya omwoyo, maybe you sold your soul. You can call God nakujjayo. That is if you want it.
That is if
yes, you might get out of there and you're delivered from that. Naye ebintu byonna byojje you stand bigenda kuvaako.
You have to be ready to pay the price.
Yes, ojabelanga what you got from the devil was the wind. You did not get wealth, because the wealth that you get from the devil or whatever the fame that you get from there is like the wind. Tebigenda kuwa mirembe nga omuntu wa bulijjo alina n'ensuze 10 agenda kugula wali, you know, togenda bifuna ebyo. Togenda kufuna that peace nti ndina omukyala tuli happy. Oh no, you're not going to get that. You're not going to get things of God nga you've sold your soul to the devil. The devil is our enemy. But you're no kyogera mu Quran nti the devil is a common enemy. He's a liar. Ajja kulimba nti ngenda kuwa bino byonna naye akuwa mpewo nga bono gamba nti kutte chupa eno naye ate mpewo. Tebigenda kujjuza, tebigenda kufuula hopeful. You're not going to be happy like a normal person because you've given your soul to someone. That means your temple waliwo ekiyingira nekikola ki nekikufuga. Or that situation whereby someone today musawa ezokumacha mulala nekiro mulala. Right. Kati waliwo ekiyingira nekisooka nekikosa temple. Mwesanga ng'okubya abantu biki kati eyo, you know, kumacha ate n'oddamu mu buntu banaye nakoze eki banaye munsonyiwe naye nga ani anakusonyiwa. Naye nga tusobola okutereera. People can get better. I've listened to testimonies by omukyalo ono gwe bayita Erica Mukisa. She has enlightened on these points. She was once initiated by her grandmother. Yes, in the dark that day, but now she's helping abantu kati okuvaayo mu bintu ebyo. The likes of Alan Kasirye mbabulidde. So God is ever forgiving, ever merciful. Bw'okola mistake yonna n'odda gy'ali lwakuba tayagala mugattako. We can go on and on and on about this, but these are the realities of life that people do not want to hear. I know. Okay. Thank you guys, of course, for the comments. They're still coming in. Nainja kusomayo sijja kweyongera kusoma because olwakadde ndaba katonotono. But of course twogedde ku mental health abayimbi gye balina okweterezaamu ate bano abakozesa music to release the anger. Does it work? Oba basooke bawone then? You can't, like I said, you can't release. We're here to serve God. That means serving his people, right? You can't release something omanyi kigenda kwisa omuntu bubi gofune because you're after the money. This money oziraba zine sente zetufuna nga zivudde mu makubo nti nayimbye oluyimba violence nozifuna zigenda kubeerawo kaseera kabuseera tezigenda nakubaako anything productive kyezikolera mu bulamu obwo. Ekyo kyoteeka kubanga n'ensi ya Katonda binna bibye ate n'ensi knows, you know, yetuyimiddeko emanyi byonna ebikukwatako buli omu amanyikako. The earth serves him, the mountains, everything. That's why Moses alayhi salam was able to tap on stones amazzi negavaamu because yali ata Katonda when the connection was not broken, so he was able to connect to the fruits of God easily because everything serves God. All creation serves God. Kati gobo ogenda wali because you're releasing anger. Omukuba abantu be oza Katonda tayagala abantu be bajja kuchunya wekyawe whether you like it or not. Ojja kubonaabona wekyawe paka bonenenya kama ajjeyo ekisa kyako kubanga era still akwagala. I know. Naye you want to mislead others. That's not good. Naava. Living within your means kyosobola oba nkale nze ndi muyimbi kyensobola kyengenda okukola wembanga leero njagala kulya ku muceere n'ebijanja njagala bbirya nga siri ku pressure nti bannanga naawe bujja olya omuceere n'ennyama bannaake tumanyi olya ne like ate naawe ogulawo engoye tumanyi ogula eri ewaga like the world sets a standard for you and if you follow that always, and then if you follow that niwesanga ate nga distraction comes next. The best man on earth, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, embraced that more. In fact, he chose the life of a pauper, yet he had an option of choosing a life of a master, and he was the best man on earth. Kati ate gwe munange tosobola nakutuuka ku stage kubanga bamwogerako muswala bamwogerako buli wamu buli omu gamba omusajja oyo naye nga bamwa option kati gwe bakwa option to live a life of a pauper and a master. What would you want? Oyagala okubonaabona? But he chose a life of a pauper. to be the person that we're talking about right now. That means we should embrace hardships. Because begenda tufulate begenda tuwata obugagga obusinga buno obwensi
okukkiriza obuzibu buvaawa to
accept and to be able to help others. Gomanyi rewards ziri omu
mpitirivu
bingi.
Naava, 14th of February, Serena Hotel
bana mujje mulize
nebo batoli mu love nga toli
it doesn't
jangu onyumirwe
love eno is tetulina giconnectinga nnyo ku bantu tujja kwesule mu bizibu no. There is a love that God has given to us and it's within and it burns for the right reasons in a nice way. It makes you complete. You might come with your maybe mama as cousins, mama, maybe a friend of mine, my friends, you know. Love should not be associated with people.
Of course.
That's where we lose ourselves and we start to serve people instead of serving God who can fulfill us and give us a life better than we expect.
Wow.
So let us love ourselves first. Let us value ourselves. Ogenda amanyi bwofa bw'ocommittinga suicide okimanyi nti mu emagombe obeera buli ssaawa committing that specific act.
Oh my God, that's painful.
You see how painful abantu bave ku suicide.
Terrible.
Kati obeera buli ssaawa okola ki bw'oba weetuga buli ssaawa oba weeteka mutu. Imagine that
for the rest of your life.
For the rest of your life because you committed suicide. We should not even think of things that are destructive to our souls. Banga fem kama to a power that if you say something, Stella, it can manifest.
Yeah.
He has given us that power. So let us use it wisely. Let us use it for his service.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
A pleasure.
Kale, ngate tunagala. Of course, for your birthday, endala, tugisembezayo kakodio. Of course, yes, celebrating you, your kindness, your strength, and all the beautiful, beautiful things that make you who you are. Message Gamba, happy birthday to my beautiful singer, Naikoba Esther. Yes, God bless you. Nafe kumwanso Mutya ono tugamba amazali wa malungi ne mukama akwongere birungi byerere. Kale, and have a great way of akantu ka message katuwombire
then
yes, how winyine
message mba wabana fenna let's love each other, let's love one another, but most especially love yourself selfishly. You know, don't go astray. Remember, you are loved. You are created by the best, the perfect. You know, let not anyone tell you otherwise. We all experience. We're here for a trial. Tuliwano konsi tulimu exam. So make sure exam your jita. Don't be swayed by people. Don't be swayed by wealth, riches, and all those kinds of things. There is so much wealth that you have that you've not tapped. You haven't. But you are loved. I love you guys. Thank you for the support that I've gotten ever since 2011. Thank you guys. Thank you for the support and love. And I can't wait to see you. 14th February. It's going to be Valentine's Day. Kampala Serena Hotel. Come through. I can't wait to see you.
Thank you.
And thank you, Stella. It has been a blessing. It has been beautiful. Everything has been flowing. So I'm really grateful for your soul. NTV. Much love.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Kale, ndoza kekakade. Tugenda kubanga tubasibira wano naye nga tewerabira nga 14 February. Tubeere mu laavu naawe nyine osobola okweyagala kujja ne mukwano go until your daughter, your son, whatever it is. Serena Hotel, of course, 14th of February. Naye nga, we love you, Naava. It's so good to have you back. We missed this kind of music. Ensi eteyongedde ogweddalu twetagamuko okurelaxinga twetaaga ebintu ebyo byetuwadde okutulungamya okwo okutujjukiza nti Katonda atwagala. My favorite part of the show. And also I think Chentu Tewaka nze nti the fact that twebuuzeko ku Mukama mu buli kimu kyokola mulimu kigooli nagwo
kakabe kasaanikira ka button
mwebale nnyo webuuzeeko omugambe nti nkoze nti seek guidance from God and also Naava akakatiriza ensonga y'okubeera nti let's spread more love, more kindness, you know, tukagamba tubeerenga and also babayimbi basobola okuyambibwa nga nabo tuba accept nze tubategedde nabo beetaaga bategeera tebali moto. They are human beings and we need to understand them. Lwaki tuyingira weekend? Ulisagenda abagenda kumpaya kayimbo bompeya kapera nga tufuluma simanye. Kabere kadini oba simanye. I don't know, whichever you like.
All right.
Yes. Going to Basibula, have a beautiful weekend, but Naava is going to give us something to take us all through. Okay.
Okay, I think Adibomo should be better.
Okay.
Genziki zenzi ya maso.
Hey.
Omukwano yandage kubo. Simanyi jendagano lugendo rawala natuka. Buliro bulao bange arazizomu wede sulantudde okutusaroli tememe nojikakanye ntawanya.
Hey.
Obali beranye birowoozo bimumanyi rendi mulaba k'emitima girya